boy, Jake. Alright, so we're going to teach Jake how to roll over. We're going to start, he doesn't know it yet, so we're just going to start at the beginning. So we're going to first ask him for a down.
Okay,
And
down.
in the down position, take that treat right up to his nose and bring it back to his shoulder. And this should help get him to flip his hip. Good boy.
Good boy.
Yep. Now go ahead and treat him right there.
Okay, good boy.
We'll start taking
Good boy.
just baby steps on it so that he gets comfortable just going and down and onto his side.
Down.
Do one more where we get to his side.
Okay.
Good. Oh,
Good
almost.
boy.
All the way.
Good boy.
Good boy.
Good boy.
There you go.
I
dropped
dropped
it?
the treat. Well, I think I dropped it, not in his mouth. Come here.
So let's try again. And if he keeps wanting to keep going, let's go ahead and let him go.
Roll over. Roll over.
Good boy. Right there.
Good boy.
Perfect.
Good boy.
I think he actually, they sometimes like have a right or a left side, and I think he went the opposite way that time.
Okay.
And I think that's why he kind of resisted compared to when the time before that.
Okay.
He like really was
So
like,
you might be more comfortable going.
Yeah.
Okay. Sit. Down.
Yeah, see how he went to that side right away?
Yeah. Good boy.
Good boy, Jake.
Good boy.
Good boy.
Oh, yes. Okay. Thank you.
Here's another treat, and you can go ahead and tell him down, and then you can say roll over.
Down. Okay, roll over. Roll over. Good boy.
Good boy, Jake.
Good boy.
I think that's perfect spot to end for his
Okay.
first time of doing roll over. I mean, he did
Yeah,
pretty good.
that was pretty impressive, bud. You're a
Good
smarty.
You're a smarty. You knew you were.